So in this video we are going to discuss about differentiation. So how we use it in a formula and use of differentiation in physics. Mm, Differentiation is the slope of tangent at the point of that function. Suppose a function is y equal to fx. Uh, Suppose this is a point A, this is point B, this is point C. So differentiation of function fx with respect to x at point A equal to slope of tangent at A at point B slope of tangent at B. Similarly, at point C equal to slope of tangent at C. So how we draw a tangent at a point? This is a point A, then we draw a tangent just touching that point. This is tangent, and slope. What is the slope? Slope is the tangent tangent of angle made with x axis in anti-clockwise direction. So this is anti-clockwise direction. This is theta. So tan theta is the slope. So m a slope is represented by a m a equal to tan theta a equal to differentiation f dash x or dy by dx as y equal to fx. So dfx by dx as y equal to fx. Similarly, mb equal to tan theta b. Here we have to put point A, point A, point A. So we will learn about some basics of differentiation and basic formula of differentiation. So first is differentiation of constant y equal to c, where c is a constant, where c is constant. Constant are those values which are not dependent on the function of x or independent variable x. So differentiation, how we can say, differentiation is the basically rate of change with respect to x. So this is y, this is x, then y equal to c. The value of y is constant for all the value of x, so y equal to c. As we are seeing that there is no change in y with respect to c, hence dy or equal to 0 with respect to x, इसलिए dy बट्टे dx इक्वल टू dc by dx equal to 0. The differentiation of a constant is always 0. Example, y equal to 5, then dy by dx. As y equal to 5 is a constant, so dy by dx equal to d5 by dx equal to 0. Formula number 2, y equal to x to the power n. So dy by dx equal to dx to the power n by dx. So this is the power, this is the variable, power variable, independent variable, equal to n x to the power n minus 1. Example, if y equal to x cube, then dy by dx equal to, find y equal to x cube. As we know that dx to the power n equal to dx and x to the power n minus 1. Here n equal to 3, as we can see that n equal to 3, so dx to the power 3 upon dx equal to n equal to 3, 3 x to the power 3 minus 1, then 3x, 3 minus 1 equal to 2, so 3x square, so dx cube by dx is 3x square. Here some problems are given which you have to solve, and the answer will be, first is y equal to x to the power 5, second is y equal to x to the power 9.5, third one is y equal to x to the power 3 by 2, fourth one is y equal to x to the power 6 by x to the power 3 by 2, v equal to y equal to x to the power minus 6, y equal to x to the power minus 1, minus 1, and v double I y equal to x to the power minus 3 upon x to the power minus 5, y equal to x to the power minus 7 upon x to the power minus 2, y equal to x and y equal to x 5 8 x point. So just solve these problems and we will discuss about the answers in next class. Thank you. And if you want more videos similarly, then like and comment.